What's up everyone? Welcome to the show. You're watching Beyond Cooking. I'm Eric, your host, and today I want to tell you a little bit about what we plan to do with this series on YouTube. This is just kind of a teaser video. We do intend to do a full series where we follow basics to advanced cooking techniques, as well as going beyond cooking and talking to local business owners and chefs alike to see what kind of information we can gain from them. As for today's video, we'll be making a perfect egg omelet, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so first of all we have our eggs here, a carrot, spinach, Gouda cheese, some bacon, and of course butter. We will also use a potato for hash browns. All right. The first step is to clean your ingredients. You really don't want to make anyone sick by feeding them something that could be potentially dirty. So we just take our ingredients under some running water and make sure we give them a rinse. So now that our ingredients are all clean, we'll go ahead and prep them for use. You may have noticed that I left the bacon for the end. That is because you don't want to risk cross-contamination from your meats to your vegetables. So we're going to be doing this on this smaller cutting board. You want to get your eggs in a small bowl. It's easier to whip them this way instead of mixing them up in the pan. My secret ingredient, which I have found a lot of people really enjoy, is just a splash of milk in there with your eggs before you beat them. We'll do just a touch of salt. And just mix these up. So while we finish the rest of our ingredients, we're going to get some pans on the fire so they can be nice and hot for us. To take care of the hash browns, you want to make sure and pat them dry, because this is what's ultimately going to help you get a nice caramelization on them and get that beautiful golden brown color that we're looking for. So right into the bowl with them. We're going to add just a little bit of diced onion to these, some rosemary, salt and pepper, and you want to go a little heavy on the salt because it really does absorb a lot of that salt during the cooking process. And we'll do just a little bit of cheese in there. Get them mixed in there real good. As you can see, this is starting to come together. Now you just want to take a little bit of them and mold your patty. We're going to add some bacon to this hot pan and let that render down and get really nice and crispy. because the carrots will need some time to cook as well, we want to add them at this time while the bacon still has some time to cook. So the pieces of carrot are pretty small, they'll cook rather quickly. We can go ahead and add our spinach now. And you may have noticed that I didn't use any oil. That's because we already have some oil from the bacon, which is acting as a good lubricant for our pan. Now we're ready to add our eggs. You want to make sure your temperature is at a medium-low so the eggs can have a nice, easy cooking in the pan. You want to pull it in from the outside and let the juices run out to the hot pan. So just let that sit there for a little longer as it cooks. At the finishing stages, we can add a little bit of cheese so it can melt in there real good. Now that our omelet is finished, we can go ahead and plate it up. I like to keep a little bit of the ingredients that I use for the cooking process to place right on top. And as you can see, I did have my heat on a little high, so it started to brown. So there you have it, a beautiful bacon, spinach, and carrot omelet. We're really excited about bringing you this kind of content, so please like and subscribe. We also have links to Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my affiliates, as well as the Beyond Cooking page. Stay tuned, we have lots of really creative content coming for you, and we would love to hear your feedback as well. So hop down below to the comment section and let us know what you would like to see in the next episode, either pizza or pasta. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video, and we'll see you next time.